Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT Notice Board using Arduino with Node MCU ESP8266 and Blink app. So here we are using a Node MCU ESP8266 we are using, and Arduino Nano board, and P10 LED scrolling display. So half feet height, 2 feet width, and 5 volts power supply. So we are going to send the data through Blink application. With this Blink application we can send anywhere in the world. So we can send the data we are testing on the terminal window. It should be scrolling on the scrolling board. So now I'm going to start the power supply. So I'm providing the internet through my Wi-Fi hotspot. With the Wi-Fi hotspot I'm providing the internet. So it is scrolling display using IoT. Blink app ready. Okay, so now I'm going to send the data. Okay, so now I'm sending svs embedded. So I sent svs embedded, so it will be deleted and svs embedded should be scrolls. Yeah, svs embedded. So now I'm going to send my mobile number 9491535690, and at the same time svs kits. Okay, so I sent it 9491535690 svs kits. So it will scroll like that. svs kits. So I am sending the data to node mcu will send the data to arduino will scroll the data. That is the theme. So we can sending any data to node mcu is connected to the Blink application. So you can send the data to the anywhere, you can text anywhere to that node mcu device. IoT based scrolling display. IoT based scrolling display. So now it's go. Next data it will come like that only. IoT based scrolling display. Hyderabad Boduppal. Hyderabad Boduppal svs. Hyderabad Boduppal svs. Boduppal svs. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svs embedded. You can send any data, whatever you want. You can send like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0 a b c d e f g h 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 a b c d e f ABCDFGH. Yeah, it is scrolling.